Applause. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I suppose the basket is full of your Christmas generosity. We thank you very much for your gift to those who are suffering because of the calamities. A very little gesture of our thoughts to all them. And by the way, please include in your prayers in this Christmas season the victims of that terrible tragedy in Connecticut. It's terrible to think about that, but it happened, and we can just pray for the families that were involved, the victims, the children especially. And I was listening to President Obama. One of his lines is, hug your children. Hug them tightly this Christmas season especially. Thank you. Now, part of our